Hi guys, welcome back to the August Diaries. Today is CAFA Day, or the Canadian Arts and Fashion Awards. I am nominated for Best Fashion Blog, and so I wanted to take you guys through getting ready with me. I'll be doing this makeup look for you right now, and then I'm actually going to be showing you what my hair looks like and the final look with my dress. I have like this really cool mustard colored dress that I'm excited to wear. And I'm also wearing Canadian jeweler Kuchara, who is also nominated. Okay, it is the day of the CAFAs and I am a little bit nervous. I'm excited and I don't know. I don't really know how I'm feeling. I'm kind of hungry right now, actually. For those of you who don't know, the CAFAs are the Canadian Arts and Fashion Awards, and I have been nominated for Best Fashion Blog. I guess I will have won or lost by this point, but regardless of what happens, I feel so overwhelmed and excited about this. I actually went to the CAFAs 2 years ago before I moved to Toronto, and it was like this big amazing gala and all of these people, Coco Rocha and Carly Kloss. I was like kind of starstruck, so to now be going back as a nominee is just like, I can't even explain it. Anyways, I'm going to be doing my makeup with you guys. I've partnered up with Joe Fresh, who is also a sponsor of the CAFAs, which I love. They're super supportive of Canadian designers. And so I'm going to be using all Joe Fresh makeup. I'm wearing a mustard colored dress and I kind of have an idea of what I want to do. I'll just kind of like adapt as we go along. So I'm going to start off with primer. This is the Joe Fresh Illuminating Primer. So I'm just going to be mixing that with a little bit of moisturizer. This will just give you that glowy base and just make sure that everything stays put for the whole evening, because it is almost 1 o'clock right now and the awards aren't until 7, but I go on the red carpet at 6. Then I'm going to be using their Daily Boost Fluid Foundation in the color Bisque, or Bisque. I'm actually just going to apply it with my fingers because I want a really natural finish. I don't normally wear foundation very much, like liquid foundation, but I want a little bit more coverage. I'm only going to do it really in the center of my face and on my chin. I'm not going to do it out here really because I don't need it. I'm going to take a little bit around my mouth because I'm going to do a darker lip. Then you get a nice sharp line and the color really stands out. I'm just going to bring a little bit down onto my neck. Next I'm going to go in with bronzer. This is such an awesome color. I really look for bronzers that are not orange, that kind of have like a brown undertone but aren't muddy. So like there needs to be almost no gray in there. And this one's really great. This is in the color Sand. This might be one of the best kind of lower priced bronzers I've ever seen. I just always find that with drugstore products, they're a little bit too orange. But this one is so gorgeous. It's not too intense, but it gives you that glow. Make sure you get your ears. Oh God, I love this bronzer. So gorgeous. A little bit on my nose. I'm gonna go in with my eyes now. The first color I'm using is called Cinnamon, and I'm just gonna put that all over the lid. Maybe I'll zoom you guys in a little bit here. Kind of a warm brown to start off with. It's a really good transition shade too. I normally just use bronzer, but I really like this. Then I'm gonna go in with Pretty Penny and put that all over. I want a soft, warm, smoky eye. The shade is really nice. It's not too glittery. Then through the crease, I'm going to use Cacao. So I'll take a fluffy brush. I'm doing a strong lip, so I don't want it to be too smoky, but I want some definition. Okay, I'm just going to clean up the shape with a Q-tip. So I just kind of follow the line from the outer edge up to my brow and just kind of clean that up because I want slightly winged. I'm going to take a clean brush and blend everything. That is the key to making it look like you got your makeup professionally done, or at least making your eyeshadow look good. I'm going to add in some more of that Pretty Penny color. And just take that transition shade Cinnamon through the crease. Just warm it up a little bit. I'm going to use Cacao along my lash line just with a little brush for some definition. I don't want like a actual eyeliner line. I just kind of want like soft definition like that. So I'm gonna do my concealer and then I'm gonna finish my makeup. And then I might go in later and add something to my eye, I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna use the illuminating concealer under my eyes. This is in the color light medium. Just tap that in. I'm just gonna set everything before I do mascara and my shadow under my eyes. So I'm gonna be using the oil absorbing pressed powder. Just take a flat brush and I make sure to really press the powder onto the skin as opposed to like wiping or swiping, just because it really packs the powder in there and it also doesn't disturb any concealing or makeup work that you did. I'm going to go in with a mix of Cacao, which is the darkest brown shade, and a little bit of Pretty Penny for the bottom. I just want a slight smoke, not anything too crazy. Just make sure the shadow joins up at the edges. Then I'm going to blend with a clean brush. The brush is nice and big on this, which I really like. The brush is so important. This brush actually reminds me of Dior Show a little bit. So I'm going to do top and bottom. So for brows, I actually recently had my eyebrows touched up with microblading. I do have a video on that, which I will link for you guys. So I don't really need to fill them in. I'm going to use this tinted brow fix. This is in the color Taupe. Just to give them a little bit of shape and so that they stay. So for lips, I'm going to use a combination of Ruby and Wine, because I kind of want something in the middle. Start with Ruby. I like the orangey undertone. This is a cream. I don't know why I'm trying to talk and put this on at the same time. This is a cream lipstick, and they also have matte as well, which is what Wine is, but it's not too shiny, but it goes on really beautifully. So I'm just blotting it to take the color down a bit and to make sure that it stays. Oh, make sure you don't screw it all up though. That's what Q-tips are for. I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of Wine. Just blend that in with my finger. Then I'm gonna blot again to make sure it stays all night. I'm so thrilled with this lip color. Okay, cheek color. I'm gonna use this gorgeous cheek color in Melon, and I'm actually just gonna blend that with a little bit of the Joe Fresh bronzer in Sand, just to kind of mute it a little bit because I don't want a bright cheek, eye, and lip. Oops, I just put too much on. Shit. No problem. I do like to put a little bit on my nose too. If you put too much blush on, just take a powder brush, take a little bit of the setting powder that you used, and just blend it out. You just want to look healthy, but not like you have very much color on your cheeks, just because it'll be too much. I don't think I'm going to add anything to my eyes. I like what they're looking like right now. I want to do a little bit of a highlight, so I'm going to use this bronzer duo in Golden Tan, and I'm going to use this kind of shimmery, champagne-y bronze color. Just put that on my cheekbones and a little bit on my nose and a little bit in the corner of my eye so it looks fresh. And that is the finished look. I'll take you guys with me when I go. Andrew and I are staying at the Fairmont, which is where the gala is, so I'm able to kind of get fully ready there. And then I'm actually getting my hair done there. I never do that, but I kind of wanted something different than the beachy waves that I always do. I hope you guys like this look, and I'm excited to take you with me and show you the full look. Say hello.
Hello.
We are at the Fairmont. We're staying here for the evening because this is where the gala is. I started setting up some of my accessory options. There's my dress. Here's me. Hi.
Cool peace sign.
I didn't do a peace sign.
That's the alternative.
We seriously love our robes.
Oh yeah, and all hotels.
I'm a hotel snob and I love staying in hotels.
Don't say that. You're a snob about a lot of others.
We're gonna hang out here for a little bit, and then I'm getting my hair done by Rebecca, and then we will take some photos and then go to the red carpet. So we just came back up to our room. The awards are over. Unfortunately, I didn't win. The lovely Marie-Pierre Morin won, and she was so sweet. I congratulated her, and she really deserves it. I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who's been so supportive of me. I kind of feel like I won, to be honest. I know that sounds really cheesy, but I just feel really overwhelmed and honored to even be considered. And I love my job, so thank you guys. So now I'm changing my dress and my earrings. These are different Kuchara earrings.
That's still Kuchara. Hey everybody, it's me, obviously. Listen, Joe's being a great sport, but I'm pissed. I think I should have won tonight. I wasn't even nominated. I should have won in the Best Fresh Face Award. Remember that one?
Yeah.
I think I've got one of the freshest faces in this room.
Super fresh.
Super fresh, actually. Good, thank you.
Yeah.
My PR agency. Humiliation.
My arm hurts.
So, anyway,
Goodbye.
this is dedicated to you, the fan. That's singular. My fan is my
Patrick.
mom. Yeah, my brother Patrick and my other brother Ian. I don't have a lot of fans. But
No, Ian's my fan.
Oh yeah, that's true. That's true. Ian is your fan.
Love you, Yan.
Anyway, so this is a shout out video to my brothers, I guess. I turned a corner.
Yeah, I did.
I'm very proud.
Anyways, this is what I'm wearing for my second dress, and I wore some very high, beautiful Stuart Weitzman heels, and my feet are killing me. So I'm putting on different lower heels. I wish that I had cool sneakers to wear instead, but we are just checking out. We've been here for not even 24 hours. And this is all our stuff. Mostly mine, but it's a lot.